In this module, we will learn about vertices, edges, and faces of solid shapes.
Monu, don't scratch the face of the pencil box. Bad manners.
Why, Mom? It's just a pencil box.
Just like you have a face and you want to keep it clean, this thing also has a face, and because it belongs to you, so it's your responsibility to keep it safe and clean. Keep the edges of the box clean and take care that nobody will get hurt by its edges.
Mom, how come a pencil box has a face? And you just used a new word, edge. What's that?
No, my dear, it's an object with faces, edges, and vertices. A face is an individual surface of a solid object. An edge is where two faces meet. A vertex is a point where two edges meet. Also, if we look at the structure of the pencil box, then you will find that it's a cuboid. A cuboid is a solid rectangular shape. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices.
That means, Mom, your mobile phone is also a cuboid.
Yes, of course.
Mom, then what do we call to my Rubik's Cube? Is it also a cuboid?
Well, as its name indicates, it's a cube. A cube is a solid square shape with equal edges. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Just have a look on a pencil box and a Rubik's Cube. Pencil box is longer in length as compared to its breadth, but the Rubik's Cube has all its edges of equal length.
Mom, then my sketch pen is a cube or a cuboid.
It's cylindrical because it has no vertices. A cylinder is a solid object with 2 flat circular ends and 1 curved side. It has 3 faces, 2 edges, and no vertex.
Mom, can you give me some more examples, please?
A thermos, a pipe, even the cap of your water bottle is also cylindrical in shape.
Then my football also has no vertices, but it also has no sides or edges. Then what will we call it?
Sun, it's a sphere. A sphere is a solid round object. It has 1 face, no edge, and no vertex. Before you will ask, let me tell you about one more shape, a cone. An ice cream cone or the shape of the birthday cap will help you to understand this shape. A cone is an object with a circular base that rises to a point. It has 2 faces, 1 edge, and 1 vertex.
Then, Mom, mineral water bottle is cylindrical or cone.
Actually, it's both. It's conical in shape at the top and cylindrical at the bottom.
Wow, Mom! Now I understand the shapes very well.